Hey there tech heads, I hope you all are having a wonderful day and welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the HyperX SoloCast and yeah, for less than $100 it is a very interesting microphone. It's actually a really cool microphone and yeah, we're going to be taking a look at what exactly you get for this price point. It is tiny, but size isn't all that matters, is it? I mean, well, sometimes. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the unboxing was a generally nice experience. We get the HyperX SoloCast in this really nice white and red box with pictures of the microphone all around and some specifications by the sides and at the back. Now, tearing the box open, which took an uncomfortably long amount of time, we're finally able to get that seal open. And opening that, we're greeted with this plastic packaging for the microphone itself. And after struggling to take that out as well, we're greeted with two more items in the box. Now, putting the microphone aside, we see the USB cable. So this is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable with the HyperX logo on both ends, which is actually pretty nice. We also have a quick start guide for the HyperX SoloCast. And now taking a look at the microphone itself. Now, the microphone is actually quite nice and weighty. Let's take a deeper look at the build quality. The build of the HyperX SoloCast is just amazing. It's made of metal all around and it's got that heft that usually goes hand in hand with high quality products. It's also got a USB-C port at the back, which is awesome because it means finding replacement cables should not be a hassle in the least. Okay, so now all the audio you're hearing is coming from the HyperX SoloCast, and this is not going to be touched in any way whatsoever. I am not going to reduce the noise, I'm not going to increase the decibels or anything. So this is all going to be straight from the HyperX SoloCast to your ears. And yeah, let me know what you think about the audio quality in the comment section down below. I am not going to be doing the Peter Piper tongue twister this time, but I do have another one for you. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells for sure. I did my best. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys think about the HyperX SoloCast in the comment section down below. Oh yeah, before I forget, the HyperX SoloCast also has a mute button at the top and it's got this red tally light here, so you get to know when your mic is muted or not. So when the light is off, the mic is muted. So for example, So when the mic is muted, the light goes off and starts blinking to let you know that the microphone is muted, and then you just tap the segment on top to unmute the mic as well, which is pretty cool actually. My YOTTO USB mic does not have any buttons or tally lights, so yeah, it's a really cool addition to the SoloCast. And this is how my normal YOTTO USB condenser mic sounds, so let me know which you think sounds better in the comment section down below. So, all in all, the HyperX SoloCast microphone is really great value for money. It is small, it is portable, and it is plug and play. All you have to do is connect it to your computer and start recording immediately. And as you could probably tell, the sound quality is very good as well, and will even sound better after a little bit of processing. Now, the disadvantage is that for the price of about $75, it is just a microphone and a small tripod or a small stand that comes in the box, unlike a full microphone kit like my YOTTO USB microphone. So that is something to consider. When you are getting this, you will probably need to buy your own boom arm or shock mount and all of that by yourself, as it does not come with one. It does not even come with a pop filter or a foam filter. All you get is the microphone and that small stand, also the USB cable. So make sure to keep that in mind before purchasing this microphone. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about the HyperX SoloCast in the comment section down below. Which do you think sounds better between this and my YOTTO USB condenser mic? And yeah, also make sure to check out previous videos as well. Check out our podcast, links will be in the description box below. And if you want to get this YOTTO USB mic or the HyperX SoloCast, links to do that will be in the description box below as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask as always, and peace.